Welcome to Community ArtsKitchen.
Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to draw this adorable cartoon style bumblebee. Materials you'll need: pencil, eraser, a jar lid to trace the head, and sketch paper or any kind of paper you have at home. Let's get started. To start out with, we are going to place the jar lid where we want the head to go of the bumblebee. So place it so that you have room for the body and the wings and the legs as well. So I'm going to put it over here and leave this room for the body. Go ahead and put the lid down and trace around it. And since I'm sketching, I'm going to sketch kind of softly first so that if I need to make changes, I can easily erase with my eraser. Now I'm going to sketch in right up here a big arc like this. And again, I'm going to do this softly. And an arc at the bottom, like so. And the two arcs are going to end in a point over here. And once I'm sure this is where the line should go, I can sketch it in a little bit darker. Okay, to create that really cute cartoon face, I would like you to draw a helping line down the middle of your circle of the head, but don't draw it vertical. Draw it as a curve like this. And then also, because I want my bumblebee to kind of look over to this side, I'm also going to draw it across like this, also in a curve. So you get this kind of beach ball kind of a look on it. And this is done softly because I'm going to erase that later. So this is where the eyes are going to go. And I'm going to draw these big buggy eyes over here, like so. And down here is going to be the cute nose and the smile coming in like that. Okay, I would like the eyes to have eyelids, so I'm going to curve in eyelids like that. And underneath are going to be the eyeballs. And to make the eyes look alive, we're going to leave a little highlight up here as a semicircle shape. Ooh, I already like that, the way it looks. And I'm going to leave the face alone for right now. I'm going to go up here and work on the wings. So the wings are these big kind of oval shapes, and however you want them to come in, I'm going to have them come out from behind this guy's head, and I'm going to make the other wing kind of smaller so it looks like it's farther back like this. And if this happens and your wing goes off the page, that's okay. That's what happens in art. Sometimes we have things not all the way, our subject not all the way in the picture. Okay, now we're going to softly sketch in the bumblebee stripes, and you want to follow along that same arc that you have created of your bumblebee's back, and you decide how wide you want your stripes to be. My first stripe is going to be this wide, and then the next one is going to come in from here like so, and the next one is a short one kind of from from behind the head like that. Bumblebees have 6 legs, so I'm going to do leg number 1 here, vertical line and kind of a horizontal with a zigzag at the end is leg number 1. Leg number 2, I think I'm going to put here horizontal to kind of follow along where the leg is attached to the body and coming out like this. And leg number 3 is over here. Now, the second row of legs, also 3 legs, but they're in the back, so we're going to draw them from underneath, a little bit smaller and shorter, so they appear that they're further back. And we can finalize those a little bit later, and then I am going to have some fun with drawing in the stinger, and I'm just kind of putting small little semicircles and then a little triangle at the end as the little stinger. So this is my layout for my bug, and now all I need to do is finalize it, and I'm just going to show you what you can do. You can take your eraser and erase your helping lines. These were my helping lines for the face. And I don't think I need to erase anything else. So what I would do is now shade in the eyelids like this, or you can just go ahead and color it in however you want to. This is totally artist choice how you're going to finish the look of your bumblebee. And to make the eyes stand out, I really put a dark value right here, dark color, just with my pencil like so. And if you use your finger, you can kind of smudge and blend in the pencil like that. And also, whoopsie, do that along here. And that creates kind of a shadow and makes the bumblebee's head look round. And now that I'm sure where the lines go, I'm going to make them darker. So you can keep going and color in the stripes, and then just make the lines darker at the end. And I wanted to point out to you that on the stripes here, if you like, you can make these stripes dark, and as they are underneath the wing, I made them a soft gray. So it looks like the wing is kind of transparent and letting the stripes show through. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this demonstration and can't wait to see your bumblebee drawings. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Community Arts Kitchen was created and developed by Barbara Libby Steinman and Anna Rochester. See you next time.